Hello everyone, let's make one new pattern. Okay, for this I have taken this yarn, 2 ply and one this color. Okay, so we will start with these two colors. So I'm using dark blue first. So let's start making with chain. Okay, so first we'll start making with chain. Okay, so I have done this much of chain. After this, what we have to do, we have to make 1 2 3 4. In the fifth stitch we are going to make one double. Now from here we are going to make one single crochet and we are going to make 2 chains, and again we are going to make one single crochet. Sorry, we have to make 2 chains and then we have to make loops with one single crochet. And this one is our last one where we make single crochet like this. Now 2 chains and one single crochet in the last one. Okay, so we have done till here. We have to make these loops. Now we are going to change our color. So for that, so from here we are going to make one chain and we'll turn it. Okay, don't cut the blue yarn, and we are going to start working here. So in the very first space we are going to make one single crochet. Okay, and after that we are going to make 3 chains and we'll make 3 double crochet. Okay, so till end we have to make 3 double crochet. Okay, so we have done till end, and here we are going to leave it like this, and we're going to work with the blue one. Okay, so from the very first chain we are going to make one slip stitch with the blue one like this, and we are going to turn it like this. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to make 3 chains, 1 2 and 3, and we will going to make one double crochet in this space. Okay, so we will make one double crochet like this. Now we will make one chain and we will make one double crochet in the very first one. Okay, here. Again we are going to make one chain, and in this space we are going to make one double crochet, one chain and one double crochet here. So it will look something like this, cross. Okay, so we'll do in the rest of the stitches. So see, in the end our design will look something like this, and from here again we make this loose, and we will work with white one. Like from here we're going to pull the white yarn, and we're going to leave the blue one for next row, like this. Now we'll leave the blue one and we'll pick the white one. From here we'll make one and turn it, and again we'll make 3 double crochet like this, and again we'll make this design. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.